Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and I really love this product. We go through many jars of this leave-in conditioner. This product works so good. My daughter's hair is super dry and coarse, which is just like mine. It can get so dry, but as you can see with this hairstyle, this is about the second day of this style, and you can see that her hair is not dry. It's very moist and healthy. My hair is a beast. It can definitely be super hard to have natural hair, and you really have to keep up with it. So I really have to make sure that I use a nice amount. I really rub it in, get all the angles that I can, and then I separate it and put a couple braids in, wrap it up, and take it out the next day. So if you're looking for a conditioner that not only moisturizes your hair but keeps it moist for a while, I would definitely recommend this conditioner. I love it for myself. I love it for my daughter. Even sometimes my husband will sneak and use some of it because he loves it too. We really definitely use this product a lot, and that's my point of view.